Hey, good morning, glorious Gloria Lifestyle Change. So I'm super excited this morning. I usually weigh myself on Thursdays, but I was noticed my gown is like so big on me. So I jumped on the scale. Lo and behold, I lost 5.8 pounds. Yay! So 65 pounds total so far. So I only have 10 more pounds to lose by Thanksgiving. One of my short term goals. See my eight in the background waving high. So, so another thing that I do, I know I'm supposed to be walking today, but that's not gonna happen because I overdid it yesterday, so I'm in a lot of pain. But anyway, moving on to good stuff. I will be doing cardio later on today though, so get me 2 shots of those in. 10 minutes each. Maybe three, depending on what my schedule will be. So this is my smoothie maker. See my blender? This is my milk that I use. Good Karma flax milk. It tastes really good with extra protein in it. And see the labels. This is very important. We need to read this and that part. Ingredients and this. Protein, 8 grams. See, total carbohydrates, 1 gram. Sodium, 190 milligram. For those of you watching, sodium, fat, total 3 grams. Calories, 60. And that's the other stuff that you need to use. But anyway, so this is what I do, is I do whole berries and blueberries with a little spinach. This is my goji powder. I use a teaspoon of that. Then I have my protein powder and my peanut butter. For those of you know, powder peanut butter is less than the regular peanut butter. So I have that. And last but not least, chia seed, very important. And my 2 smoothie cups, and then my little water. What I do is I combine everything together for lunch and dinner. Because I have a smoothie at dinner too, along with a fruit salad. And just for those of you who wants to buy what I use, this is the protein powder that I use. War Organic Protein Chocolate. Very good for you. Especially, well, it's a lot of debates, but everyone has their own thing. I use it because I notice when I do the protein powder in my smoothies, I'm less hungry. So I can stick to my 3 meals a day with probably one snack in between my meals. So, yep, there you go. You see how the fiber, the protein, 22. And then the very important that I like about it is that it has raw probiotics. Very, if you're trying to grow your flora gut. And, oh, you see my dog in the background? This is the goji powder that I use. Let me straighten it up. Put it back on me so you can see my face and not my dog. See the goji powder that I use? Okay, I guess I got, because that looks backwards, right? So yeah, I put everything in little Ziploc bags for me to make it easier for me, but you know, that, and this is the details on the bag. 15 calories. See how that ingredient is only one ingredient? A lot of these other stuff that they be trying to sell, multiple stuff, not natural. Anyway, so this is what I do that works for me. As you can see, I've lost 35 inches to date and 65 pounds. So yes, I am encouraged this morning, despite the fact that I'm still struggling with trying to, get this walking down pat, but it's okay. Just little steps, small steps brings the ways, right? Slow and steady. So that's what I'm doing. Slow and steady, just trying to do little tweaks in here and there. So I just want to encourage you, you know, wherever you're going through, whatever your journey is, it's not going to be perfect. That's okay. You're going to make mistakes. That's fine. Just don't give up. Keep on trying. That's what I do. Just keep on trying. So, thank God. It's only by His grace. And I'm still here making it. So, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoy. Make today your best day and just get up and do some kind of movement. Care what it is, dancing, cooking, cleaning, whatever it is. Do it and you'll be proud of yourself. Have a good day.